Hello! I had a feeling we'd meet to discuss capital forecasting. So, without further ado, if your company is like most, you get the same capital funding year after year after year, which means you're forced to manage year by year with little or no flexibility in acquiring vehicles. That's a trap that makes it hard, if not impossible, to stay nimble in a changing marketplace. But why make do with unrealistic funding allocations based on past guesswork and near-term influences? What if you knew precisely what vehicles to replace in order to control operating costs, and how to budget for their replacement with precision every year? What if you proved that spending money to replace vehicles makes more financial sense than continuing to repair them? And whatever decisions you make, how can you predict their impact 2, 3, and 4 years down the road? Using historical data and predictive analytics, Holman can give you answers. You'll see how the effective use of capital funds can clamp down on unpredictable operating expenses. You'll have solid information to back up your capital requests and be able to demonstrate to company leadership your fleet's power to generate revenue for your business. Remember, your fleet is an investment, and it's time it paid off. Holman has more ways to help you do that than anyone.